PhD in Power Electronics and Drives. I am now working under the Marine Engineering Department. We have to taken for the Marine Electrical subject to the Marine Engineering students, GME and ETO. So this one of the applications, electrical subjects in ship is fire alarm in ship. That is any fire will be occurring means. So very important to reduce the fire and also to detect immediately. Without maybe detection means very immediately means it will be affect the other equipments. That reason we have to immediately we have to detect. Here that is same ship is different applications: navigation, positioning, remote control, secure communications, intelligence control, digitalization. Many of the electrical applications we have to use in ship. One of the applications we have to consider for fire alarm in ship. Say what is meant by fire alarm means maritime environment is very important and evacuations very fuel, oil, cargo, that is due to fuel, maybe explosion, maybe oil and maybe any other short circuit, any other open circuit and any other oil we have to use specific fuel oil used in our ship. So this one also missed. So this reason there's a fire will be occurring. So immediately we have to detect using for fire alarm detector. Fire alarm means find and inform and restrict and extinguish. Fire, that is it, we have to immediately detect the fire and also inform through message or WhatsApp or any alarm circuit through we have to inform. Immediately fire will be we have to restrict other and extinguish. We have to reducing fire sensors. We have to use fire sensor means here detect the electrical signal. That's a fire signals, temperature. It will be converted into electrical signals. What reason? Here automatic we have to extinguish the fire because manually to extinguish the fire means very delay times will be occurring. That reason we have to fire sensor we have to use to convert. That's a fire converted into based on this temperature and the smoke detector. We have to convert it into electrical signals. This electrical signals we have to apply it to the PLC. So PLC programming based on this signal, immediately feedback you have to provide to turn on the extinguishers. So different types of extinguishers also available. Here we have to see about the what is meant by fire alarm and immediately working here. We have to study. This one's topic used for marine engineering, GME and ETO students also. What are the actions? That is we have to use for fire stations. We have to immediately inform to fire station and confirm particular where it is located. So location also we have to record where it is. We have to immediately report to the particular duty officers and where it is. So immediately alarm will be fire or message also we have to provide it and display messages. Detector alarm circuit also we have to turn on. Between process, this fire sensor converted into electrical signal. This process also we have to do in electrical signal. So electrical signals, that is within 10 seconds we have to within 10 seconds will be turned on. This is different types of sensors: smoke sensor, heat detector and flame sensor, because fire will be consist of different, that is a different images, smoke and heat, temperature also increasing and flame also occurring. So based on this signals we have to convert it into electrical signals. After that we have to find out where it is fire will be occurring. Immediately we have to locate to turn on the different fire extinguisher. We have to turn on foam extinguisher, oil extinguisher, gas extinguisher, depends upon the fire and the flame we have to turn on. Here what is the important electrical topic means, this is this type of sensors. Here this type of sensors converted smoke and heat and flame converted into electrical signal. This electrical signal processed in the PLC. Next one, smoke sensors or smoke detectors. Similarly we have to tell a smoke detector or smoke sensor is one of the transducers converted. Smoke is converted into electrical signals. This electrical signals processed through the control system process. Based on this process we have to once again feedback provide to the turn on the fire alarm sensor and message, WhatsApp message, and to turn on the relay coil to reduce the and turn on the fire extinguisher circuit. It's a light sensor. Light sensor also available, fire sensor also available. Here converted, say smoke will be deflected through light. it will be converted into electrical signals. So light and fire will be, temperature will be converted into signals, because this one of the area will be there, means the ship is in closed area. So where it is maybe smoke and fire will be occurring, means immediately it will close all the places. So we cannot do the work, and other work also affected, and electrical equipments are in small area. So that is immediately we want to locate the particular location of the fire where it is occurring, and also immediately this fire sensor. So high accuracy of sensors we have to use in this place, and high resolutions. That's immediately we have to turn on the fire extinguisher. So immediate reflections, we are the fire sensors we have to use here. So flame sensors we have to use where it is maximum, we have to use means main engine place, generator and purifier boilers. These are very important and very high equipment cost. So we have to protect the main generators, because main generator fails means totally ship is also we have to shut down. That reasons we have to immediately place in the extinguisher the main engine generators and purifiers and nearest boilers. And the heat detector also, two set of heat detectors we got to there. That is a fixed point, and another one is variable point. Fixed point means only one temperature, maybe we have to set is 200 degrees Celsius, 1000 degrees Celsius. Similarly we have to set means this temperature is coming, that type of sensor is working, but this type of sensor is only one point is working. This is a fixed point sensor, but variable point sensor means variable point, different temperatures may be occurring. Immediately we have to convert it into electrical signal. Immediately alarm will be turn on, triggering the relay. So relay will be turn on means continuously message will be given to the particular alarm circuit and information system, and other digital system also activated. That's what are the ports available in the heat detector. Fixed low temperature, soldering rate, and also rate of rise of the air chamber we have to provide between the, we have to fix it in the walls. Walls means and the ship sensor up top we have to fix it this type of sensor, smoke sensor, flame sensor and fire sensors. And fire detection on the boards, that's a where when it is fire is occurring means ignitions, and maybe ignition may be sometimes silently we have to ignite, and means that time also oxygen also reducing, and fuel also we have to increase. Sometimes that time we have to fire will be occurring in boilers or heat furnace plant. So that time also we have to fire extinguisher is required. So immediately the sensor is turn on and to reduce the fire and to turn on the extinguishers. Here how to work means, that is any emergency point, these three types of sensors, any flame or fire or smoke will be occurring. This type of sensors continuously it's a converted into electrical signal. This electrical signal given to the SCADA and PLC system, process control feedback. So control feedback, immediately feedback will be provided to turn on the fire extinguisher, and also within 10 seconds, and alarm also we have to provide, because nearest people and nearest equipment also we have to protect it. So this one immediately, this closed surface we have to continuously monitoring, and also to protect the main engine equipment and purifier, boilers and also human beings. So that reasons we make a alarm, fire detectors, and to control feedback is so very highly we have to maintain here. It's a fire alarm circuit, it's a control panel is there. So continuously we have to connect it, which any one sensor may be turned on, we have to connect it series means immediately it's go for the control panel immediately, and the signal is going to the fire alarm circuit and information system also. It is a message is going to the maintaining peoples. So different types of fire alarm is that conventional, addressable and intelligent and wireless. Conventional means manually we have to operate to extinguish the fire. Fire may be occurring, manually we have to see, after that we have to extinguish it. But here delay time will be occurring, and you have to take the object and take the and go to that. So similarly it will delay time will be occurring, means easily fire will be extinguished, that is a flow to the other places. That reason addressable. And next, so we go for the address next advanced technology, but in this addressable also some disadvantages also there. That reason nowadays we go for the Intelligent means power electronic devices we have to use. Immediately we have to fire will be occurring means within 10 seconds. Turn on the fire extinguisher circuit and also to reduce the fire to protect all the equipment. And wireless, that is a wireless means maybe connected wire means easily due to temperature the wire connection will be burn out. So information will be not yet go to the particular maintenance departments. That reason nowadays due to advanced technology we have to use for wireless information. That is a sensors also wireless. That is a Wi-Fi device we have to connect it. Any signals, any flame or fire it will be occurring means immediately the signal is given to the particular maintenance department and to turn on the extinguisher also through wireless system. It's a conventional system, and a conventional fire alarm means automatically we have to manually we have to turn on to electric sounder will be occurring. This one addressable by a fire alarm circuit means we have to setting point. So this much of voltage, this much of current may be occurring means you have to turn on. This one conventional system. Intelligent and wireless fire alarm circuit means nowadays we have to different advanced technology of microcontroller, microprocessor, FPGA controller and other AI converter also we have to use in this to control the fire alarm circuits.